Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Sign in or create one Linktree account before you start this process. Open your profile page and copy the unique Linktree URL shown in the address bar. Test the Linktree URL by pasting it into a browser and waiting up to 15 seconds for links to load. Confirm the landing page displays the correct links and tracking settings. Choose one final Linktree URL to encode in the QR code for consistent redirection across platforms and campaigns. Open a reliable QR code generator on desktop or mobile and paste your Linktree URL into the input field. Select Output as PNG and set resolution to 300 dpi for crisp results. Choose Error Correction at Quartile, which protects approximately 25% of the code area. Optionally add a small centered logo, keeping it under 30% of the code size. Download the QR at least 500 by 500 pixels for print and 300 by 300 pixels for web use. Before publishing, test the QR code by scanning it with 3 different devices and apps. Confirm each scan redirects immediately to your Linktree URL and loads within 10 to 15 seconds. For printed materials, make the QR at least 5 inches across so phones can read it from typical distances. For digital use, ensure the QR image is at least 300 by 300 pixels. Monitor Linktree analytics for clicks and impressions, and regenerate the QR only when the encoded URL changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.